We've been doing some upgrades to our kitchen, and one of the things that we've been doing, we're kind of starting at the top, working our way down, and we're going to replace the flooring last. We painted the walls, we put this gray on the walls. It was like an off-white, and we like this. It's a lot brighter, cleaner and everything, but we've replaced some trim around the floors and so on and so forth. But today we're working on these cabinets, and I already got one door off, but you can see our cabinets. It'd be kind of nice to get new ones, but right now we're just gonna kind of update these some. But one of the things that when we moved in this house, they had already painted over these hinges. And so that's one of those things where we're like, ugh, and it's drove me nuts. And so today's the day that we bite the bullet, change out those hinges, put on some hardware on these cabinets and make them look better, do some painting, and hopefully they'll look a lot better. So let's get started. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't love hinges. I don't love doors. I hope I'm not alone. Anytime that I've installed a door, I think, well, I did a good job, and then I gotta shut it, and then I'm like, oh no. That's when you know that you messed up. It's off 1/16 of an inch, and I'm not a professional, but these hinges are gonna get changed out, so let's hope and pray that I can do a good job on it. Okay, so the doors are off that side. This is ready to paint. Got the doors laying out ready to paint as well in here, so let's get to painting those. So while I'm waiting on paint to dry, let me know what you think about this floor. We've had this floor. It was the first thing we ever did when we moved in this house 11 years ago. And this is actually a kind of a thicker vinyl, and we put like a vinyl grout on it. And it's held up real well, but we're really wanting to change it. We have something in mind, but what do you think? Ceramic tile? What's porcelain? What do you think we should go with vinyl? Let us know. I decided to go ahead and work on these drawers right here because prior to this, as you can see from this side, there's no knobs or anything. And so I've opted to drill a hole in the center and put these knobs on. So hopefully it helps cut down on fingerprints and dirt and grime and probably look a lot better. Yay, we got one side done and it looks so much better. It's amazing what new hardware will do. Pretty inexpensive way to kind of update the cabinets, new paint and everything, new knobs. And this didn't have knobs before, so we actually drilled a hole where we felt like we wanted the knob. And of course it comes with a screw and you just pop it on and that's it, pretty convenient. Anyway, love this upgrade. Only problem is we still got one more side to go, so I gotta get busy. Started around lunchtime and it is now after 10. And finally we are done. Everything's painted. All the cabinet doors were taken off, painted inside out, changing the hardware on everything. And I'm pretty happy with it. And I can see why I put it off for a good while now to change this hardware out, but it looks so much better now. So don't forget to let us know what you think about the floors. What's your opinion? What do you think we should go with? Tile, vinyl, whatever it is, let us know. Thanks for watching, guys.